Welcome to Daily Post India. This is Jasmine Kaur. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has termed Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi's tweet as funny. The BJP's response on Rahul's latest tweet, wherein he had taken a jibe at Yogi Adityanath-led Uttar Pradesh government for junking his predecessor Akhilesh Yadav's free laptop scheme. Talking to ANI, BJP leader Nalin Kohli said that these days very funny tweets were coming from the Gandhi session. Has Rahul Gandhi even put a smiley with his tweet because these days very funny tweets come from him? He is taking great pleasure and humor on very serious issue, Kohli said. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi fired a fresh salvo at a Yogi Adityanath-led Uttar Pradesh government and tweeted, "Great move CM Yogi. Next, you can save more money by closing all the hospitals." Another BJP leader, S. Prakash, said the UP government has waived off farmers' loan this year. It is a big strain on the state budget. Adityanath has to do a balancing act. He, however, sarcastically said that at last Rahul has spoken about UP, which he represents. Mr. Rahul Gandhi's concern is well appreciated. At last, he realized that he is representing UP and he has to speak about it. I thank him for this, Prakash said. Free laptops for meritorious students were one of the poll promises by the BJP. It is Lok Kalyan Sankalp Patra. The Finance Minister Rajesh Agrawal presented budget also cut the budgetary provisions for secondary education and higher education with basic education, however, seeing a rise in fund allocation. The war of words between the Congress and the BJP has gone to great lengths with Rahul every now and then, tweeting against the centre and its policies, and the leaders of the Saffron party criticizing him and dubbing him as immature. In one of the instances, the Gandhi section earlier drew flack from the politicals and he took a Twitter to mock Prime Minister Narendra Modi after the Reserve Bank of India RBI said that it is still counting the demonetized notes deposited in the banks. For more such special updates, you can visit our Facebook page Daily Post India. You can also visit our website www.dailypost.in and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.